Today we will discussing about list and tuple data structures. We already completed in float, complex, bool, string data types. Int, float, complex, bool, string. These 5 data types are already completed. What is int? Int is whole numbers. Whole numbers. It means positive and negative numbers. Float. Float means floating point numbers. Decimals with pointing numbers. Decimal pointing numbers. Decimal point numbers. Complex. What is complex? Complex is a complex numbers. Complex numbers. This means it is a combination of real and imaginary values. Bool. Bool is a Boolean data type. Boolean data type. It have two values. Those are true and false. False. What is string? String is any sequence of characters. Any sequence of characters within the single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes is treated as a string in Python. Strings are 4 types. Single quotation or double quotation string, and next one is escape characters and string, and third one is a raw string, fourth one is a multi-line string or triple single quotes or double quotes string. These 5 data types are already completed. Today we will discussing about list and tuple data types. List. What is list? List is a collection of different data type values separated by a comma within the square brackets is called list. 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 What is list? List is a collection of different data type values separated by a comma within the square brackets is called list. List have some rules. Those rules are first one, it is a collection of heterogeneous objects. Collection of heterogeneous objects. Heterogeneous objects means different data type values. And next one, it is a order is preserved. Order is preserved. And next one is duplicates are allowed. Duplicates are allowed. And last one is, it is a changeable object. changeable. Changeable means based on our requirement, we have changed the list. That means it is a mutable object. Mutable object. This is the list. What is list? List is a collection of different data type values separated by a comma within the square brackets is called list. Rules. It is a collection of heterogeneous objects. Order is preserved and duplicates are allowed. It is a changeable object. That means it is a mutable object. For example, L is equal to 10, 10.5 and 5 plus 10j, Python, 10. This is the list. List is a collection of different data type values. This means this is the int, this is the float, and this one is complex, and this one is string, and this one is int. This means these are different data type values. Different data type values. This means int and int both are. This means duplicates are allowed. Duplicates are allowed. And based on our requirement, we change the list. And this means how to change the list is discussing in details list data structures. This means it is a changeable object. Changeable. This means it is a index based. Index means it is a order. Order is preserved. Next we discussing about tuple. What is tuple? Tuple and list both are same. Only one difference. It is a list is a changeable and tuple is a unchangeable. That means it is a immutable object. A list is a tuple. Tuple is a read-only version of the list. Tuple. What is tuple? Tuple is a collection of heterogeneous objects is separated by a comma within the round brackets or parentheses. Tuple is a collection of different data type values. Different data type values with different data type values separated by a comma within the parentheses or round brackets. Round brackets is called tuple. Tuple has some rules. This is the same collection of heterogeneous objects. Collection of heterogeneous object means different data type values. It is a collection of heterogeneous objects. And next, this one is order is preserved. Order is preserved and duplicates are allowed. Duplicates are allowed. These are same as the list. This one is very important. Last, it is an unchangeable object. Unchangeable or immutable. Immutable object. This is the interview question. What is the difference between the list and tuple? List and tuple both are same, only one difference. A list is a changeable object, tuple is a unchangeable object. This means it is a changeable and unchangeable, mutable and immutable objects. Only one difference. A tuple is a read-only version of the list. Example T 10 comma 10.5 comma 10 plus 5j comma Python comma 10. This means this is the different data type values. Int, float, this is the int, this one is float, and this is complex, and this one is a string, this one is int. These are heterogeneous objects. This means different data type values and duplicates are allowed. We can't change the tuple. This means this is an immutable object. Different data type values. Different data type. Different data type values. First, parentheses are optional. This is not mandatory. Now, T is equal 10. This is a single one. This one is type of this type T. We will get the answer is tuple, class tuple, T-U-P-L-E, tuple. We will get the answer is this. But you take the single object. This is treated as a int type. Type of T. This will get answer is class int. Object is inside the parenthesis, but it treated as a int type. Single value is treated as a int type. Compulsory, this is the tuple means compulsory we should take the comma. You take the comma. This is treated as a Python virtual machine treated as a, this is a tuple. Compulsory we should take the comma. This is the interview question also. How to recognize single value in a tuple. T is equal to 10 comma. This is the tuple. Next we discussing about set and Trojan set. We will see the next video, set and Trojan set.